first cut for our inside corner. We're gonna be making a cut for the left side of the corner. So, first step is you want to cut it upside down. So the wall edge is gonna be facing away from you, and the part that's going on the ceiling edge is going to be facing towards you. Now, even though this is going on the left side of the corner, we're gonna be saving the right end of the cut. So, place it firmly, and you're going to cut it at a 45-degree angle, facing right. Now we're gonna be doing the second cut for the inside corner. So this will be the piece that goes on the right side of the inside corner. It's gonna be the same as last time. So the ceiling edge is gonna be facing towards me, and the wall edge is going to be facing away. And this time we're gonna be saving the left side of the cut. So you place it firmly, get it measured up, make sure it's flat. So we're gonna be doing a 45-degree angle cut again, but this time it's going to be facing the opposite direction as the first cut.